Good morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon, or good evening, whichever it may be for you. Today, for my first drawing, how-to drawing, we're going to draw a picture of Pikachu. Pikachu. Oops, that's backwards probably. Maybe not. From the game Pokemon. Everybody knows Pokemon. So, when you look at Pikachu, I think about shapes, So this kind of shape for the body is more or less an oval. The head shape is also like a pear kind of a shape, right? You see that? All right, so when we draw, we want to kind of keep those shapes in mind, especially if you want to do it head on, right? Or if you want to do it from the side or slightly from the side, it's all going to be kind of different, right? Depending on your point of view. So I want you guys to remember we had our little box that we made, our little box of stuff. So all you need for this to get started with is a pencil. Make sure it's sharp. And we also need an eraser so you can erase, because you're gonna need to erase, and a piece of paper right here. And let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start this video by drawing the Pikachu sort of coming forward, okay? So I'm gonna start with the head shape, and you notice the curved line here and then the bigger down here for this. So I'm gonna draw the top of the head first. Make sure you give yourself plenty of room. I don't wanna start up here, because if I start up here, I wanna have enough room for the ears. So I'm gonna start down here, make a curved line, kind of like a frown, right? And then I'm gonna draw the cheeks here, curved around, go up like this, and they're gonna make kind of like an oval shape, right? You can think of it that way. It kind of looks like Bugs Bunny, right? Or shape of a rabbit, right? The ears are shaped like a rabbit too, so you don't want to make them on the sides. They come from the top, curve up, and then curve down. Do the other side. I don't know if you noticed this, but Pikachu looks a lot like a rabbit, doesn't he? Okay, so I put the two ears, and then don't forget these telltale, cool looking black. That's how you can tell it's a Pokemon, a Pikachu rather. Put the little curved line there for the part of the ears that's black, right? His eyes look kind of like angry eyes, right? They're just, so I'm gonna start here with a line that goes down. You don't have to make the eyes angry. He's not always angry, but you can draw the eyes kind of slanting down and then make the circles that go like this, starting at the end, curve around. The little white spots in there, you can draw the circles, and then you kind of color around them. See, like that, to darken those in, and leave that little white spot, the shiny part of his eyes. You kind of just color in around that. I'm doing that with pencil. Ooh, mine looks kind of mean. All right, then the nose is cute. It's just a little triangle, it's a small nose. And then the mouth starts here and it makes like a little upside down V. And then don't forget the circles on this side that are red. You can color those in later. All right, then I'm gonna draw his legs, because you don't see his whole body when he's coming forward. You might, if you could turn him a little to the side, but we're doing straight on, so we really don't even see the back of the body, just the legs. So the legs kind of come out from under the head, right? Just like that, and then you draw the foot. 1, 2, 3. So the leg here coming out from the head, almost like that, and then make them about the same size, 1, 2, 3 little feet like that. If you want to put the other foot in the back, you can do that too. Kind of looks like it's kind of overlapping back behind the other foot. See? Okay, now he's kind of coming towards us, right? See? And now we can draw his tail. But they drew their tail kind of straight up like that because it's a toy, right? And this is a little, but he kind of looks like a lightning bolt tail. So I'm going to make his tail kind of coming, overlapping the ear here. Let's see how that looks. Here, and I'm going to go over and then up like a lightning bolt, like that, right? And then I think the part of his tail, maybe it has this little part too that's black, right? All right, that's not a bad Pikachu. That'll work, especially when we color him, it'll look more like Pikachu. Maybe this part of the eyes could be a little bit bigger, the white part. I don't know. So I'm gonna do another one here. This one's kind of gonna be standing up, maybe a little further away. Same thing, curved line for the head, right? For the top, the bottom, a little bit wider out on the sides, right? Like a which was like a pear kind of. And then I'm gonna draw the eyes. This time I'm gonna make the eyes not look angry. I'm just gonna give them little circle eyes. Little circle eyes like that aren't angry. Looks like he's kind of looking up. It's interesting. And a little nose, the mouth, circle here, ears, bunny looking ears. And this one's gonna be sitting up, so I'm gonna draw his body kind of like he's sitting up. So I'm gonna draw an overlapping sort of circle underneath. And then you can put a foot kind of sticking out here like that. Maybe another one over here, like that. And then I'll make his hands, let's see, kind of in front of him, like this. Like that. All right, and then again, the tail. Boom, 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 boom. Like a lightning bolt, right? All right. So this one's kind of mad, this one's not. Maybe he's like, oh, what's going on? What's the matter? So there's that and there's that. You could make a lot of different ones, and I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna come back and show you then how we make the background. Okay, so I drew a bunch of Pikachu. I drew them kind of all over the page, and now I'm gonna add my background because it's easier to me to draw your characters first and then add your background. So I'm going to go through this, kind of creating a background, doing a lot of overlapping. Overlapping is when you stop and you jump and you come out on the other side. So I'm just kind of wing it, but I'm thinking he kind of looks like he's on top of something, maybe like a rock. So I'm gonna draw a rock underneath him, some little place to stand. All right, overlapping the ear of this Pikachu who's sleeping. Up, there we go. Maybe a little bit of rock down here like that. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna erase a little bit on that ear. There we go. Maybe kind of, let's see. Looks like he's standing on something. All right, so there he is standing on a little rock. This Pikachu, I'm gonna say this is the background here. Maybe they're on a little hill or something, right? Going overlapping behind him. That shows you the background, the horizon line, maybe. It's the sky on a little hill. Maybe this one's coming down a little path or something. Let's see here, going over the hill. They're on the Pikachu path, going to Pokemon Land. Sure. And then, so there they are. Kind of, maybe I'll make some more rocks here to make it look like they're kind of not just that one random rock, but a bunch of little rocks around here. Pikachu is standing on. Maybe he's protecting his friend and we just showed up and he's giving us the mean eyes, right? Get away from here. And then maybe further in the background, I can make like a little mountain range or another, I'm gonna do another hill. And then I'm gonna do maybe some mountains in the background, farther away, right? That's why they're so small, right? Even some clouds then, or sun, or something like that, peeking out. You don't have to do the sun in the corner. You could do the sun anywhere, or the sun, maybe it doesn't even need to be in the picture. All right, so there. All right, now you have our little path. I'm gonna do a little texture here. All right, there's a little story kind of coming together with this Pikachu picture, isn't there? I wonder what's going on. Okay, so I added a background, and I also added some other Pikachu here and there. Did a little overlapping background, you know, where you create a little mountains and hills in the background, a little path coming through. This Pikachu that's sleeping. This one makes sense now because it kind of looks like, hey, we showed up and we're in the picture now and he's looking at us like, what are you doing here? But don't worry, we have our Pokeballs and we're ready to throw them. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Just do your best, have fun, make sure you have an eraser handy, or you can always remember, you can always use your mistakes. If you mess up, use your mistakes. And I made mistakes here, but I just kept going. All right, good luck. Let me know how they come out, and you can send me pictures. I think your teachers have my email, so when you finish it, please send me a picture so I can know that you guys are trying this out. Okay. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have fun drawing. Bye.